Hello students. Today we will read conversion based on type of sentences in direct or indirect sentences. Okay? As we know that there are 5 types of sentences in which we can convert direct speech into indirect speech. Okay? First is assertive, second is imperative, and third is interrogative sentences, and fourth is optative sentence, and fifth is exclamatory sentences. And today we will read about 3 types of sentences: assertive tense sentences, which we call statements, and the second is imperative sentences, in which command and order is given, and third type of sentence, interrogative sentence, in which a question is asked, question is put. As you know very well students, in previous classes you have also read in previous classes. So assertive sentence, in assertive sentence a statement is given, and remove the commas and inverted commas and use the conjunction that to introduce reported speech, and reporting verb may be changed into tell, answer, reply, inform, remark depending upon the context. Okay? And if the reporting verb has no subject, if the reporting verb has no subject, it is not changed. In this indirect speech, remove the commas and inverted commas. As I already told you that in indirect speech, inverted commas are removed, and reporting verb and reporting speech is connected with conjunction. 2 जो पार्ट्स होते हैं डायरेक्ट स्पीच में, reporting verb and reported speech. In indirect speech, when it is changed into indirect speech, the 2 parts of sentence, reporting verb and reported speech, is connected by one conjunction that. Okay? And in imperative sentence, as you read in previous classes, that in this type of sentences command and order is given, request होती है, और क्या advice is given, advice दी जाती है. Okay? So in this type of sentences, this type of sentences is changed into requested, advised, ordered, commanded, etc. Okay? And the imperative word is changed into to infinitive, means to plus verb की first form. Okay? And reported speech is not preceded by any conjunction. In this imperative sentence, when we change direct into indirect, the reported speech is not preceded by any conjunction. For example, the engineer said to the poem, "Bring me a glass of water." In this imperative sentence, engineer क्या किया? Engineer ने order दिया. So when we change the direct into indirect, what we call that engineer ordered the peon to bring him a glass of water. To plus verb की first form is used in this type of sentences, and that word is not used. Okay? Now, if the conjunction that is used should is placed before the infinitive. If that is used, if अगर हम that का use करेंगे, should is placed before the infinitive. Okay? I hope you are understanding. And third kind of sentence, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence से बेटा आपको पता है, in this type of sentences question is asked and the reporting verb is changed into ask, inquire, demand, etc. And if the question begins with WH word, no conjunction is used. If the question begins with the WH word, no conjunction is used. You have to keep in mind. If the question begins with an auxiliary verb, if or whether is used to introduce the reporting speech, and interrogative sentences become assertive sentences. When we in the direct sentences, question is asked, and when we change direct into indirect, what will make the change that the interrogative sentences become assertive sentence. Okay, and the sentence ends with a full stop. For example, Rohit said to Kamini, "Are you not my friend?" Rohit asked Kamini, it said to change into asked. Okay, Rohit asked Kamini if she, condition, it is started with, it begins with are, auxiliary verb. So if or whether is used to introduce the reporting speech. Okay, so Rohit asked Kamini if she was not his friend. If or whether we will use if she was not his friend, inverted commas are removed and present tense change into simple past. Okay, so you have to keep in mind and practice it more.